Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to remove song from Instagram post after posting. The truth is you cannot remove a song from Instagram post after posting. All you can do is to mute the sound. But I'm going to show you a tip on how to post an Instagram video without a sound. So yeah, as you can see here, all you have to do is to mute this one in order for you not to hear any sound from an Instagram post. But now I'm going to show you how to remove a sound on a post. So all you have to do is to download any editing tools or applications. Let's just say, for example, I am currently using InShot at this very moment. So all you have to do is to click this plus icon here, tap a video, and then as you can see, there is a music icon here. You have to tap this one or click this one and then drag it down to mute the sound. Export and upload it on your Instagram account, and that way there is no sound on your Instagram post. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.